the trading desk of dailyforex.com. This is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming non-farm payroll December 6th session. This is the Euro US dollar pair, and you can see, full disclosure, we have just rolled over into the Friday session in early Asian trading. Early enough that actually the Japanese aren't even online. We're talking basically Kiwis and Aussies now at this point in time moving the markets. Very quiet. Would expect it to be so until 8:30 New York time, when the non-farm payroll announcement comes out. As usual, it will move the markets drastically one way or the other. And I believe that that is what the market is focusing on right now. Interesting setup, though. This moving average on the chart is the 50-day EMA. And you can see that it has acted as dynamic support yet again, as the market shot up during the Thursday trading session. A little bit of a surprise. Quite frankly, I figured that the 136 level would hold as resistance at least overnight, but my suspicion is people are trying to get out in front of the announcement, with the idea that perhaps the jobs number won't be strong enough to have people thinking that the Fed will taper. That's the only question anybody's asking right now, and because of that, that's really the one thing you have to pay attention to. There is a cluster at 1.37, could cause a little bit of resistance, but ultimately, I think this market's already made up its mind unless we get a much stronger than anticipated jobs number. That's not been the pattern recently, so would not be surprised at all to see this market make a beeline to 138. There are problems in Europe, don't get me wrong, but right now people are focused more on the Fed. Pullbacks will more than likely be buying opportunities unless we really break down below 135. At that point, we could see it drop to 133, but that's the least likely of scenarios for me. A little bit of a short term pullback probably leads people coming in looking for value later in the session as well. So, wouldn't necessarily play this market right now in the Asian or even European hours, but after that reaction, non-farm payroll, what I'm really hoping to see is some type of sell-off and then a short-term supportive candle and go ahead and start buying, as I think the market's pretty much at this point in time almost 99.9% sure of the direction it wants to go.